Want to take a break from Instagram? Yearning for a digital detox? Today, we're going to guide you through the steps to delete your Instagram account. First, open a web browser on your device. It's crucial to remember that Instagram doesn't allow you to delete your account from the app itself. You'll need to go to Instagram's website. Next, log into your Instagram account. Now don't rush and hit delete just yet. There's a specific page you need to visit. Type instagram.com/accounts/remove/request/permanent/quote into your browser's address bar. This will lead you to the delete your account page. Once you're there, Instagram will want to know why you're leaving. There's a drop-down menu titled "Why are you deleting your account?" Choose the option that best fits your reasons. If you don't see an option that aligns with your reasons, simply select something else. Now, you're almost there. Instagram will ask you to re-enter your password for security reasons. After you've entered your password, the option to permanently delete your account will appear. It's a red button that says, "Permanently delete my account." Before you click, take a moment. This is a permanent action. Once you hit that button, your photos, comments, likes, and followers will be removed forever. If you're sure, go ahead and click that button. If you're having second thoughts, remember that Instagram also offers a temporary deactivation option. To summarize, here's how to delete your Instagram account. 1. Open a web browser. 1. Log into your Instagram account. 1. Type instagram.com/accounts/remove/request/permanent/quote into your address bar. 1. Choose a reason for deleting your account. 5. Re-enter your password. 1. Click permanently delete my account. So, whether you're decluttering your digital life, taking a break, or simply moving on to new social media adventures, you now know exactly how to say goodbye to your Instagram account. Remember, it's a big digital world out there. Explore it at your own pace and always do it your way.